It's all about time with the queen herself, Queen AJ Hipsy. Kumawood TV so while him say queen dear minyat na say ya just on call chiche na so line and the because on the side intimato mensa frɛ one of the musicians o menchen ya ono na me no eba chiche komo ni dia ni K-Nex K-Nex and me no eba chiche komo na me kai will say when I was so masema me di djumedi ebre Clayton soap naturally beauty soap Pentecost fire enjoy your home bra ye ba ye de komo chiche and be so
I love you. What you for cool man?
K-Nex, hey, you tight. Onipa matara boy, onya me share.
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 Opo sama timiki suye subebuwe. Opo sama lock me suye subebuwe. Na soni na wa try wonini di besi ani. Na wa try wonini di besi ani. Wasi wo ya mega, na me ya mega wo.
Wasi wo ya mega, na me ya mega wo.
Wasi wo ya woga, na me ya woga wo.
Wasi wo ya woga, na me ya woga wo.
Nyame shewi ni papa bo humuko. Nyame shewi ni papa fa humutai.
Na weshrano no. Na weshrano. God bless you weshrano. You are blessed. Na weshrano.
Eti di asaja wona siji wenye. Eti di asaja wona siji wenye. Oda senyo do unia. Na senyo do unia.
Do yonko sao. Ya bra pedina, watch the bina yebo. Ya bra pedina, watch the bina yebo.
Ike bewu, wapsiga bewu, K-Nex bewu, Mascoti bewu, Tomu bewu, Galaxy bewu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 feet now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 feet now. Mandala boy, Onipa mandala boy, onya me share.
Onipa matara boy, onya me share.
Onipa mandala boy, onya me share.
Onipa.
Me sounds mama call baby bad time with the queen herself. So me mama nya nti say you okay next wa ha ono na ne no eba be chichen kom okay. Apom to say.
Emi adumboko hima
Bibia ye.
Bibia she na.
Bibia hye ye. E ma ni nyina ho ye.
O de anu apos kakra.
Da bi e ma no o mu nyina ho ye.
Sanity.
Okay okay. Amenko we so straight. Unim nyom tro.
Yeah, nyum dim tro pa.
O ye sure.
Pa.
O ye sure pa so
sure
nyom
pa.
tro. Na ne e de na obi anim nyom tro say na ntimi ko wi obenyom.
We say make say Ghana for issue go ayete a I am beso omoto omo azikakra. Because sa asem wi a nipa ne be kan ye no. A ono no dey say medin. Me hu ni say e obi na ahye da ama no. Sa adwene no for onfanye sa.
Obi na ama na dwen.
Sanity.
Na asema make won hu asem kro.
Hu asem kro. So unsa ade bi e fa ho bi say say akutia bi ade eni wura. Ti wo start here hu bi asem dey efi. Eye some girl bi Naija ofi Nigeria ne ba.
Okay.
Me one obi ba e fa say oba so person me dey oni me anyom. And I will say my movie soundtracks my more.
Okay.
It's a man for recognizing me.
Okay.
Because of the movie soundtrack. To ban am so okay, Martin. And see a coincidence, a coincidence because and you man me person me you be tomorrow. My me releasing him said this month on the 10th. Yeah. See and you man say I trying the pan.
Yeah, meaning.
Unim. Go no e ba see and sure men sure you na me na enye. Timi tro you na me na dey. Nigerian very good.
Okay.
Enti the verse na otu na say nyom no I say o flat na I say na kwasa ko speed chain beat no.
Okay.
And I'm catching manager say get ready. Emwa because you say me is card but emwa ti enyi free so. Coincidence we so kan Naija kasa na enti ase. What uni hu na make no. Very good. Na me enti ase. We don't know you say kasa na o kan e the same words na me so me dey. Me so make.
We sure say na unti Naija kasa na.
Unti Naija kasa.
And I say upe obi na asha da ka say nipa na nche wa say my girl na can actually all translating.
No. Obi no me ne fa sa plan da because me no me angasa no me pe ade a obi aye na wasan na wakofa.
Say o ankasa wo ji scaffy girl no ho.
Girl ni dey say enyum dey management we ba so person no enyum a e dey ya say o twa bi kakra. So but later I didn't niska de e ma no
mo return niska na ma
niska ya return niska na ma no enti ohun say my some flyer bi anyom no ya cho tomorrow nobody knows tomorrow no I feel again kiki ade if you also Nigeria body I see the crack
obebodia
manager slow
manager so
we frank osro you money dia
ayo
ana when I'm saying me can say me anyom no tomorrow no me sure that me sure a long time that cry enti me no me anything about the ono na den e kan enti no a coincidence bi am say e bia ne language no kan na me dey na dey abese
enti one cause I sure so will prove bia wo sanyom no wo tro ne dada
me will prove papa
e tro so wo tro nyom ne dada ada wo tro nyom bo dated so
oh when say obi e nyoma o studio ne ko record
okay
trick city on record me
okay
nyoma no bia fafa bebre no guy bi if any survivor on cry then or maxi bi enti no like nipa bebre kwa na ye adwuma o enyom no ho enti no that time kana get me nya meeting no enti wo kana se mu ya e mo wa
e yo won
e mo so kasa enti me ni hu ni se
wonti bi da
enti mu ni se e bia me ni se hype no pe se di o me ni the reason why she's doing that
girl no o dating and as on any have a relationship
me ni be bia
unnim ni baby and of us all no be try
obi na dey buy me ni be bia
na enu nti na wo ko Illuminati for camp ko je bambo na
I will be some small
because I am one because me nyan nti ye say wa ko Illuminati ho e ko jeje omo bambo bi ye de bo ho ba kwaku na de wo ko ye nti sa
I am young some nipa kwaku manu ya
wan kasa nipa kwaku manu
ah sa not even
oh evangelist ade kan want was wo ni kwaku manu na person o twon de wuram nya no kwe
sa evangelist ade me hu ni say em say na adwene na enye because asem me tie no e shock me.
Okay.
A man can come office maybe and come here lose customers. Because we me say we say movie no money say more out more hype no wan nya money so ma for baby. But any sanity. Sinyam ko hira no heden. No hira. Lunati dey me ko join lunati heden because me me adwuma da. Omo money movie in stream for long time no money me say na me omo face dada answer na me ye fru akwa asafo. Okay. To real light media na what in radio so a friend is saying baby ana the same real light media no na that's very good no that's so enti no me lunati me mfanya hwe imlati me mfanya hwe enti me de me ye bia ye e de na akwam sinya me na me mani aye de ahwe no
mfanya hwe ya wo ken wo ko twanyom ato nyom ama nyom aba outer what they I be a symbol of Illuminati for na or the symbol na omo using bi no and na what they are to ayo cover yes ana maka no they ayo cover na trending most na unko why then use your image
I meant to watch na me chance we mu ye esa Ghana for intimacy sa I na wo sa logo no me for the pastor Pentecost pastor
wow Pentecost
very good
district ben
I sign or I sign intimacy squad district right
okay
na me obi a me say a graphic designer in say me yard bia me use the concept of a whole thing
okay
na me the idea no very good I na da sa logo no me na me fa sa logo no na me nim the reason of the meaning say occult for bi wo ba bi o my ani bi sa
I don't know wan hwehwe
ani bi sa kwa kuma nu ka che me say Ike say ani na dem no den na me so masa dogo mo that no is na me nim the den ABC say evangelist ade bi de nam YouTube say me akwajo me akwajo ni Illuminati any okwa friends nyoma like me tete bebre oh e be viral ma even e be ni number bi me hu so omote TV stations bi kwa de e kan ba me a me tia me ni hu se me Kristo ni so na me kan ase ana se me yema adwuma bi na se ska bi fia bi kwa me no nche se makwajo ni bibi sa
okay
so na me kan ase eni se me na wakwa na me friends say mentor kan ponti me like mentor kan poni and the next year there
very good. We shocking fans.
You know. Okay. And yeah, I did say like, bia. I could join me. There be minimum bia fan logo. Na me am logo. The evangelist are there. No, na Ghana fan ye there. I'm following the work and okay because we team control be there. A 20 paso. O share Vivian J and some kinds on in the bar have sex in now na bullshit.
Okay.
Some money there me minimum.
Wo the logo bia wo wi ase. Ye wo nyame nsa wo ho amamfo nyame ya o mutwetwetwa ni pictures yi actor ye o modena da ni nyame oda ho obe ntia wan kofa bi wo ye nyame sum wan kofa sa logo ni ade ani a nipa nyina hu ni say Illuminati for symbol na wo de wo ko use no
we as say the aponchi pen or ne
kaka bo tu Illuminati symbol Matias
ne me pen na me den me
okay
ini so bi tinche na o de to me so a enya sanete
okay
wanna make am no ye tie ne say asem we nu say o kan asem sunsum kra de as because ade bom de ato me so ma ibi nkwa ya ha me bi adwuma me den
oh yeah
me
obi ama ho bi me kura nka memma
na obi ama ho na
no wait ma better say K-Nex Illuminati ni me ko a obeye me bibia wa ga baba say wo ma
and it's like a kuma news and going to me to kwanya de obeso ye
okay
was on na me na mo so on de odi mawuram ti mu da kwaku so odi mawuram bi ma
kwaku meche no me bisa na paranzo
mate any ahu na no bisa
me hu na me bisa
me a true Christian me zanyo man de mani nyo
o kasa o boasting itself me a true Christian o kwa sorry we
e ko Pentecost
okay o ko Pentecost ye wo mo nyum bebre to Pentecost nyum ba ko penaminti
and you say we met bed
what dey ba ko pe me pe
so yeah o de
anya Pentecost nyum me pay team song ni bi ya ye team song bebre awodo bebre to the mami team song ba ko
because
so for ba ma ye team song ne ba ko
mami ncho ade so me kan no krebi che Ghana for ye wo me to Pentecost mami obi asem ye shabu me toto nyumo churches
enti o ko ha
for now the shabu no my den majai
o ko Pentecost
no me ko he say no me free Pentecost me fa na tese me majai Pentecost me nya asem
me come up party so we free Pentecost daddy pacho so wutie me oba no say we free Pentecost mu or say o ko asori be
he say me call fire fountain ministry
fire fountain for agina boss say we jai Pentecost but still better Pentecost as a pastor but there also it's me to back
enyu ni baby met mat bebre but bi ameto oso ye odi a say nya Pentecost for you
me no for problem
aso
K-Nex
papa me
no papa uzo wait pastor bent me an to Pentecost nyom ba ko K-Nex no papa nyasem
Pentecost nyom de me refi bebre because first na sana me quiz ma Pentecost
Jesus me muni se me nkotokoto ni nyina agu K-Nex refi ultimate to be last time we able
na Pentecost for nyom
obua
sanyom no
ye pe team sang ni bi ya no to be
we Pentecost from fancy he say them refi and first ni akmet matu
no first ni dia he say the shabo na aboro no so nti no won kai ke I mean bisa sa say me one kwadwo cancer we issue
okay metima ka say menini yasem but on na apetu ma nanya asem
ade nti kwadwo be petu ni wanya asem
because say na kwadwo ye bi a madam for pan no menena na enante ewo maybe say atonsu aprabon efi be 34 na my friend be no Batman tie flow samo aben no a movie director me sango fo nyina bi me come as we ase no nyankopon ankasa no o mre edimo bia because me Batman na no a director nanti infi bebre nyina young na di nyini edu be bi na me say Batman director na we no na say okonanim enti like omo nsem ankasa no me ana me se meka but wo busa mi tamese me den meka no because omo nyina na edi agro koba kwadwo nkansa kwa do me tumaka say no yo boy kura ma no small boy what I say no small boy bia age ne bia me age be but now we say nipa bra body sanity e dey ya obu e so di bu e den e ma no me wo school ana me nua bi friend me say oh yes say kwadwo nkansa ona bi na boy no ba if you have say oh hit you on the post am say ona ka chill ti me bae no ana me hu say ampa kwadwo ayere ahiti na me so okay ne me hu Batman na ona so di ma twetwa bi but me
o kwati se kwadwo ahiti nti na o pa kwan bi so am ye do acha bia
na ye na mfo ye de ye nam so ana kwadwo kana we yombo me asema me kami ntwa ntro ona say enti se bibi abam na se kama se nyina se before le ba se kwadwo no ene Batman ko ye one bi efo ko mo chen kwa na mo doji aso mu dwane bi so na me yimani pema bi de etra enti no mesumi ya kran se me di movie na chi kran sana mesumi de me baji di o industry enti movie industry na bi mu ni se eye movie soundtrack nkwana me de me ye but na me ye movie na me artwork no me no posters no more na me na me say o ko movie shop and I say movie library movie say go nyina mu be 60% me na me designs ni bibia
okay
na me office o Ashtown that time Relight Media so ti we tie advert na me radio so nya na me din wom kama enti emre bi na me ka che Kwadwo se Kwadwo me be se anke ye enwom eye mantarabu enwom bi me kwakuma no ye de ayi no so oh good oh na so dey fie nipa na me dey ade ne sende no no so bank enti me se no so bank aso me kem ya pa enti no a me bi am se me ka wansem na me sende no Kwadwo de ne echina efi Kwadwo ka kire me se me ngo frɛ the manager Razak GH very good ti me Razak kan me for man for mom peke no me om so mstable na me say na me do ni Kwadwo titie e bi se Kwadwo WhatsApp so na me call a me ne na nante ba bia se wo he ayi a interview be won sa so me kanya ntro na me twa the last meet na me say Razak GH ka say oh on dey kanya onu because they am see ni Kwadwo tie die but Kwadwo na say onyem 30 million
exactly
very good ata was moving na conform and first na 30 million yes ka bia dey e ma me but na moving na conform ma adwuma ni na dey I slow ana me na me so kenya hwe enti kwakuso no em se kwakuso no em se oni me se me ne Kwadwo dey close ma na kwakuso no wotema opon bia no ana ofre me se me mran yede enya nwum no en kwani me am pona me ko ne nchen nyo ne frɛ me ko ne nchen na me kodi nkomo na so me yede yenye ana ye nwum na e bai afi em so wote nwum no wote nwum no se nwum na ba out no efi no opatu ni ma yaka Kwadwo nka
na Kwadwo ya say ode enwum aba no ho no say ye nwum na all of a sudden the ohun ya ne say oni kwaku na ye nwum no ebi ono anka se wonye by sikasem ne be maybe Kwadwo miniska wo me ho nti no me ye chame ebi ano expect so be kasa asem
ese asem bi ase dance phone ni manaka se bi a dance phone dey ah bechiri ata me say nwum no guy bi Galaxy Mix on a mix nwum no e ho me ye audio bi de sene Kwadwo na me say bi a Kwadwo kra tie audio na be kana koma na ye dey aba bi ko asem ka je Kwadwo mofli na kasa no ata na fa mofli me see anya nwuma wo ye me say Kwadwo wini nkan ye wan sa mo kan sa ne kra so me audio me de sene no na me say Kwadwo me dey sa ka me ka sen ga nwuma na kwa ye say me mbra anya dey wo so ni say nwuma me ya de but oni nkofo bi kwa ye nwuma eno de nyama asem and your more personal life you know ono ma ye nwum bi me ka se anya nwuma Kwadwo twetwe no na me dem twa so din but ene no wo so anya sika de but obi ahoto no sa me ye madwuma kama oba mo nkra o mo asafo ma madwuma no so mu ni madwuma no enti nya se bia fina me ka se me koye abeg bia den akọ pesika ye de o Kwadwo ise no hoto no e de ya wiase ni bi di bi achi e ma ni se me tibia me tiso a ena mo so ma metimanya akonya ye de e ka sei eye Samdakus despite wiska but Samdakus so ye de e wiska enti anu je se bia se despite wiska chen Samdakus ene je Samdakus won kire no ni se Kwadwo wiska me so mo won kire me
hoto
so mo ye de mo to me so anse me so mo to me ko bo so me so me nkram de ti mo ka so mo to me enti no ade bia me ya ba de se free mu kra ti enya me ya bia na me ka se me cheche nsi mu kwakuso no one me ya nwum no nwum ntimi train e ko e mo de tutu kwa bo chi na me ya hu ska kra de edi enti Kwadwo de ade a se me kwan se video na ye twa di kan twa first video e man tara boy first video ya ko Ratri Park e ko bo ka bi kwaku bo ka so bo ka that was the first time ye twa video no ye bo ka twa video su ni nyina afi guy no twa video ni afi ye pega ye hu ne frega ye guy impeke ti man kasa na me yimani ti one day bi na me ko interview Royal TV da mu sa guy ne de ejina wona Kwadwo nipa bi akwatietie bi na wa say yi no wa say motia no very good no ejina ho ana saa bo no twa video no so de ejina ho de bia no musini metie no afi mu hu me no o man fi me na musimi twa me de e ko tim kwa because na se boy ni video na wan fa amba no se na eden etie esa okay am twa so man kasa tim na man ko bo bia din se na me ntina video na ma matimi de me nsem nya eden o metim na me twa so an sa na be tinyo me be eden asi ana next one sa ko twa video no fro ana enyu ne timi eden e bai timi de me de nyame ase ye twa me na nya eden ntwamko be focus in life
ya kan ye mo ho ban
sanity.
Okay. Yeah, kasa obo yidin Zach GH. When Zach GH ex girlfriend Bennett Asare.
I say we question me I know him. Bennett minimum pa.
Now then Bennett.
No my ex girlfriend.
Bennett your ex girlfriend.
No my girlfriend. Say my say o man say ache. No cry no. Everybody share many but say twem.
O de share when you
I say the tell say I don't know who movie for the could you
mention. So what you mama. Other for okay next and I me go so am no cheche en common. So what say Zach GH former girlfriend Bennett Asare. Bennett an ex-girlfriend. I feel I'm calling no. Baba, there's all person na papa. I dear Jariama already no any actor so to say age every day and then I'm come for Clayton soap at the mall. Clayton soap yes I'm now was so just so boy you with any sa within any fee say stretch marks, pimples, crowded sense and san. Nyama remember any feeling in a Clayton soap ebeboa ni nyina free I'm already any aye kama at the amount Clayton soap samana papa pan yepa so Clayton soap will be at obenye bi at BT Royal Dr. Mensa baby e fa crow from car no e ho na obenye bi ato okokro from so mama G collections obenya Clayton soap ni bi ato afeyin so obetimi akọ post office ojo post office aso am post officer obenya Clayton soap ni bi ato obisa Hetibles Enterprise obia betcho Clayton or Pentecost fire kope bito so open the dodo nso etu obetimi afrom ahomatru for so 0548 039889 0548 039889 Clayton Pentecost fire ye cha your home bra ye ba ye beto anko chichie no so
Kumawood TV amansane ye na ye diemu
me sanso mama kwa be time with the queenness of Queen AJ Hipsy so okay nice
hey man
o say Benny say then
I say we dey I say enye pan say me TV so anka me nka because e ade atwam
asema wo ka
I say no I'm a girlfriend but say I check akra so say mu an onya say chance di ko movie nim to Korea mu no na say
na Zach koje no
and you meet me in WhatsApp.
Also, movie industry name no because some the can be so Zach former girlfriend. Until Zach so o signature Germany so room na Zach Jenana.
Oh, when they me hu dey but later no. So later come sign ni be share movie industry because we dey kan jam industry because na me nyam enwuram. But me no me can say me say movie industry e dey am so ma be room.
Okay.
Very good. Inti later no be GD cry artwork no be GD inti when say last time na producer bi suma na say o me twa pictures bi o mo face so. But no nim say me cry mpona me dey oba me ho. So oba na so won say me. No say
so what shock.
The Ike come kan say what.
Okay.
Because no nim say em Ike. No bon say me but ono me no me she penny dey like ade bi a check akra.
I check.
I check akra. Tell say no I me person me kan pi.
There be me person o come pi because Benis oja wo no and check eno ko share Zach and I check.
Met my kan is SCP say only the girl o me broke ya ka the broken heart. O my broken heart bi anka. Come here ono ya we.
Okay, so Benis no of first love.
Very good.
Okay. Oh, Benis sorry me raho.
You know because na me any good. Na me any good papa because that time
no. Oh, can Benis say say ni so cry tata.
Benis there. That time came in pera na me bo na me papa bi. Pa but say sabra boni there. Be say nyoma sisa. You know.
Yes, obi the board. Ozo se me babaji. Say Zach na ma broken heart.
Oh, they meet me share so on the genes that time they meet me share. But no. Me ni break up no. Na we who say me anga say me nua. Me because me nua na ma me ni ntem dey. Because na em say na me IT. Oh na me repair laptops no nyoma that time no. UM say SS no. And na me go university. Enti ono like na me koba na me ho kan one day me ba na say taxi bi e dey.
Epake ho.
Ana me father so ti ko en fa na oba na. Me mommy kan say enye oge yi na omote taxi ni mu.
Hey.
So I'm going to call him on say like one guy be taxi him.
No, Zach.
Maybe they be Zach.
Okay.
Zach. No guy be. But my pincher can idea, my pincher can idea. For sure, my pincher can. It's in a Zaku. Then Zach when you meet me and confirm because that time I am doing movie seminar so.
O pincher can and Zach net him.
A pincher can. Not name Zach. It's like me pincher can who say guy be at the canning. Till later, I come by next and I say, tomorrow moving and there's a guy we are.
No, Zach.
Had a most sunny guy we into. Oh, later, I Zach will be my friend. Me could take in the picture because be a first not to be a Jackson Mono. But yeah, Mr. Kumawood I was coming in and auntie any this guy, you chrome guy, Benson. Atom.
Okay.
Me, you know, Atom, like and until program. I say, you know, I'm say, Santa Quay. Tiavan say. Zach and the Virginia. If you Sana operated
Zach come on your broken heart.
I had to name Zach in Tino, now minim, but later Mrs. Anne on one.
But Zach in him asking me.
When him da. Tell me more so baby ada.
Any a yow. Baby I will be a champion near some cows and was someone. What you big girl, I'm an anya broken heart. And him say they are Zach baby for you so near and then actually chenkomo. Into Bennis jaw no more broken hearts no. And or the cofa abnagana no.
Hey, I say we don't know him question with me.
Oh my broken hearts now just all say and your Bennis a jam it any they say any a so be air boy the better man and channel no aju.
Abnagana dear no Bennis I don't know tide friend of me close but I'm not gonna not say.
So they tell you and now for me.
No. I'm not gonna dear. No, I'm a friend.
Friend.
I can say it's a good sister.
It's one yes, you'll say. Bennis in your hints and it's only a benefit. I know
you're no Mokika. I'm a Casamina Bragana or Ezio, but now she nim.
Now,
Bragana, not Panasim, Panassim. Later, come say, maybe any manager. And I'm in a beer. Even I was crying, maybe Kumawood I was.
Come back.
Oh, can I mean such
a motor?
I'm depending what I say. I'm a blogger in the video, but Uncle Baby, I'm not Madame.
Uncle Baby, I see a bank. What down for you near Banana and Nico Baby, I'm going dates and such a about to more chain high five and your girlfriend. Didn't and such a about to
say, because management. So being manager and I'm a mini no ni. I'm a Lincoln up movies. Me first and say my manager cry bear than before. Now pay office I'll be stars, producers, directors 24/7 in my office.
Hey say no ne kawechin na ma. Oh Mr. Frank na ma chese ne sabeshe won sabeshe na motu.
O da bi say no be ma. Na ma do ne sakweshe motu. Ne say some bibi na ma for beka.
Na say we gay. Hey say won pena no.
No. Abana Ghana dey madam funu no, madam funu.
No madam funu.
She was my best friend.
She was your best friend. Yeah. Bestie. Friends with benefits.
Bestie, very good.
Friends with benefits.
Yeah, man.
Friends with benefits.
Oh, no. Hey, me.
I said friends with benefits. That be saying.
I can say benefit, but benefits near and for should be a free so.
Okay.
It's the same meaning on your being like connections being in your
and your benefits.
And yeah, down. Abana Ghana, they may.
Now, say Kumawood I was no, you buy, benefits, sorry, buy. To whom benefits now share that don't share abnormal to nana.
So, no idea, man, for kind of industry. I think baby,
so dating.
Because you say now, my friends be Gafa, Benny's name, now some make an answer.
So, just say,
no, they be. Send I don't mock. Yes, I ain't saying. You cannot do me send it to me. I said, I say, but near send a pen once a mangasa. And near pen once a minute. Say, I did
say, only a banana won't tempt to say.
She said, and tell me, I said,
best friends, it's me by enemies.
Sure,
sir.
The man buys a contract bina a copy, sir, calendars, I'll call we are friends saying, sir, Taylor, shops, Nana, or more, you be, and very good. TM said, contract, and that is Kakesi, and Tina. Here we know. Now, Uncle Fubu, I crowd meet my apprentice. Now, I'm my printing. And you got printing them saying, any bigger crack. It says, can I say, and tell me you got cranna man when you beam. So,
okay.
But still many cool.
Saying you cool party, said bestie now. Now don't sabotage no mutu.
Very good. And you know, me hu ni say na me ni hweye but na ye namfo na pe ho asem me I say dua
oni abnaga na ni hweye na mo ye namfo na mo po mo ho asem na mo ye senua a nti o mutimi ye ade ma ne hye amanfo nyina mutimi ma amanfo ye jealous nyina e wo Kumawood Movies Awards okay yem brown nyum tom o share nyum to asim fi dodo say ni
oh ache pana one thing is say me pa adwuma the time ya first na mani wo adwuma ho chen nyum no
okay
because na ma metimi ye obi because metimi ka say okọ way back many flocking or cham ko am ko YouTube am no mo nyum bi o 2012 mo cry o wrong meeting na nyum but na omo no metimi ka say me no ye future no ma nyim iska because na me so no mo nante mo mo designs na nyum bi keyboard that na manager ni e the keyboard nyum designs na no mo nante sa me call kunta fie me call mo fie anopa awia I'm very good. It's them say na enyum na adwuma sem ni tina me nya time ye den e ma nyum ni yi. Tinwi dem start here che. Adam say e say na me say me person me den. Me ye ni from soundtrack na me wan say me man the brain den.
O ko nyum no so. Ti wani bre aba nyum so releasing nyum how many?
Em say Mantana boy no. Dem ne kwa kuma no ye no. Na second one me rati. Guy na ko Vodafone icon no. Ni one na ha me na me no so I back. E no kwa na e promote e see
no ne tomorrow no.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Banga is here also.
Na wunim bibi. Nobody knows tomorrow. They na men nam santas run about. Me tell nobody knows tomorrow. I'm choking one side. Na me trans na me see enyum ni ye. Why na ye promotion ni ma?
Promotion ni there. Meet make say management e find Frankobi.
Frankobi.
Yeah, Frankobi. Motion films. On is also more there or they me banga kra. So definitely planning things for the video then your mama be so I say hey you know last time my friend cuz me some boy no santa say me 30 pound my friend was show him say social media because started promo no and they started promo no
Kumawood
very Kumawood TV so once am man for share more
okay
very good the movies na me dem mu yin nti no nti no motion films records and on my show mu say Frankobi or a movie director or a movie producer on our show mu so they made
oh, Kaiwachi series you be a Kaiwachi on a producer movie and sound directing. Yeah. Okay. So no na so more boy children. Because most say you me you really see and change so like I could see say a trendy most amount for ball over her and nobody most say you cry the videos be a man na how is the feeling?
Feeling here very cool.
Okay.
And I trendy because the mama ni cry Jane say e wa wote age unso wo yo bi amanfo ni mo
okay
enti me dey to like the page you know in be almost be some seconds na likes near more because of say obi me phone say me text message bi che I forget say why because some say abroad agent big guy be friend saying oh yeah so travel agent very good and I say again up give me the job and I'm say masa miss
yeah face ya
no the unya
na bia na me crashes so funny tv na omo tete san say me say ya bob shake awa omo nyina jani da bia nyeta o sia me wan kona na akasa ansem nyina a chere me okay obeto nyom ne kakra ma ahwefo ehwe ne yadofo nyina etie nyom na omo nza manfo yeah excited about it no be mo matie nyom ne kakra
na meto kakra ba metuma kan sem kutu bia fa ho unse nipa at times no wo miti obi a na se ohun ne se nipa no den enye obi a
okay
but ade am be se me ka che nipa ne se uni machina sem
okay
ko betima hia obi ne na onye obi a ba chi no be den obi mi anka se bi asi om life
okay
what I say
be necessary dia no
mesre o sister mesre o entino ma me yes anyum ntimi be se Ghana 42 e ho fo se wo hia obi a fa buo eni ni dia den ema no uni machina sem
okay
timi anyum ni say nobody knows tomorrow. Oh, mwa bi abwa me nay. Oh, do bi ado me say ya. Obini machina semti. Oh, mwa bi abwa me nay. Oh, mo bi ado me say ya. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah, uni machina sem. Ti mo bi afani die dey.
No. Why video one you miss so?
Video no afina ye plan. Say afina ye script nimpo. Ye bookie hotels ne location the be video no. Very soon yeah. video ni beba
na chese video no ma mbem bi kra chese video ni ye ncha
sanity
yes I meje bribe okay ne so be can find out where actually what do for what chef for and so social media handles be at the best jama omo show no
okay so person follow Knix akọ Facebook Knix and akọ Instagram Knix baby abeko bia social media ni nyina me wo so baby abeko bia Knix em say ngofo bi blog mo hacking me my accounts been is my new one for the Facebook I'm hacking me lose a lot of friends with me you so my new one Knix na baby abeko bia Knix me chia me manager Kobe Frank Motion Films Records and majuma move for Real Light Media asafo me chia wo nyina me den chia so come my family when I say obia me father pastor din gra me chia also no obia entino inshallah
chia wan chia o girl no wan chia me am tie krampo o girl so wan chia
eje de mitimi konya ho
yo
eje de mitimi konya ho
obi kan as me kelo se sia
eje de mitimi konya ho
Knix me doesn't so me to me za for now one chuma no from now by yakupo Israel pan nobody knows tomorrow it's who mo bia boamene o dobi na so tifie na wa fole ama age seriously a be ka chere me what no bi ni mo chira sem e bia na enne bi no wait me am bambeka I love you so much me am digimedi bro me diane Ken AJ Hipsy and then me Knix and the church come so when you had break na kuma ati ama say no wetimi dey twanwom say nobody knows tomorrow senka had break na mba kran ke bia nko enya nwum we ono anaka na asem e dey chere one of my tree do ma me digimedi bro and so one so masen ma me digimedi bro Clayton soap naturally beauty so Pentecost fire omo na bo me tree don fe ma me digimedi bro na me camera ladies omo ji camera na chi cha me ma eje me jeje dem ma ye digimedi bro ma na je say your Gestina and a look cute and Jane and omo bo me tree don fe ma me digimedi bro me program manager Mr. Ochi Nozo 1 ono so bo me tree don fe ye pa Kaiwachi with that ye pa Kobe Frank with that ye pa director original Sam Darkus boss because osusu nyankopon enhira wona wasifo nyina wona wabuso nyina osusu nyankopon enhira mo nya wa hwere wo ye ho bia no nyankopon onhyen mo anemu shout out to my mom Mrs. Henrietta Sewa Boatin, my dad Mr. Samuel Ajenim Boatin our elder with the Church of Pentecost presidential annex director of Ghana Revenue Authorities daddy baby bia wo bia me chia oye pa me chia madofo Mashafo Nana Bozo sister Sarah Junior o mebusia fo nyina medamu nyina masiye pa se dade den nyina wo ma wa chi don fefe so person sponsor program ya number sie go ase wo betimi afa na chese wa frɛ ne de bibia ahyehye so kama edi ama Kumawood TV yan ya ye die ni follow here on YouTube Kumawood TV GH na wa subscribe na wa like na wa comment edi ama yeda ma say that's ene ye be sign ehia makramo